welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video you can see this is going to be a really exciting video for me and you guys. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max in silver, 512 gigabytes. So this video is literally like so cool. I'm like literally so hyped up right now, you just can't see it. I'm so excited. First of all, I need some iced coffee. So background about why I got the phone was because basically my storage on the phone I'm filming on right now is really low. It's like 5 gigabytes away from running out, and I film content and I'm a content creator, so I need storage. I might add a screenshot of how much storage I've got left. So yeah, I guess we'll get into the video. I think I've covered everything. Okay, so here's the phone, and I love the box. As you guys can see, the box is like thinner than most, like the old boxes. For like my iPhone 11 Pro Max box is like that thick, and then it's this thin now. This is the back bit, and yeah, this looks really cool. It's got like these two little open things which I've got to do. I'm just so scared to open it. It's fine. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god, sorry. That is so cute. Like, there's the Apple logo. This is a white. That's why I decided to get silver, because it's a white. Let's pull that out. Oh my gosh. Look how cute that is. Matches my nails actually, I just realised. Oh, this bit's like rectangle. Oh no, I don't want to ruin it with my fingerprints. But yeah, I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers unboxing this. It's literally like a mirror. I can see myself in that. Here's the, oh wait, they've changed it. Paper, little plastic thing. Oh yeah. By the way, in the boxes, I'll get onto that now. In the boxes, they have decided not to put, Apple's decided not to put the charging block, because they're trying to help like with the ecosystem, the environment and all of that, so they're not doing that. So if you've just already got a USB-C plug, I think if I've got this wrong, I'll change it. It'll be fine. But if you've not got a USB-C one, you'll have to go to the Apple store and buy one. And I'll explain what a USB-C one is if you guys are watching this video and you're going to be buying a phone and you're like, what am I talking about? So first of all, let's just go on with this. We have got the little like instructions. I don't think anyone ever reads these. Got the little SIM card. Oh, Apple sticker. Oh, they're only doing one this year. I think it's like a little paper material or something, recycled. Again, to help with the environment. And then we've just got the instructions, which no one ever reads. Now I'm going to be going on to charging ports, so explaining this. So again, I'm not a tech person, but this is called a USB-C charging wire. I don't know what it's called again. And the difference between the USB one is this bit here where it goes into the plug is way different to the old plugs, like everyone used to have. So with the new plugs you can do this, and this plug I got with my old phone, so I don't need to buy a new one, luckily. But yeah, see how that is different to like the ones you most probably have now with your old phone. You will have to buy this type of plug for this to work, or you could just use your old like charging cable and plug, but it just won't be as fast. This is like really fast. That's basically me trying to explain that to you guys. Now I'm gonna be peeling this amazing little thingy. Oh my gosh, I think that was the best ever. Okay, do I just hold it at the side or what? Yay! Oh, look at that, that is so cute. Okay, I guess let's do this. Do English. Select your country or region. United Kingdom. I'm gonna try and figure out what I need to do with this, because I need my phone off the camera to do this. So yeah, I'll see you guys whenever I figure something out for this. Okay guys, so sorry the angle might be a bit lower, but my sister was kind enough to lend her iPad so I could film on it. Right now it says this. So I've got to do Face ID, so I'm gonna do that because I really wanted to set it up so you guys could see actually what goes on through this. I don't know what to do here. Here is the phone. It says it needs to do software update. So I can show you guys the differences between iPhone 11 and iPhone 13 Pro Max. So this is the iPhone 11 and this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Size difference, as you guys can see, it's way bigger, the camera. That'll be great for like taking Instagram pictures and content. This is what it looks like at the front. front. As you guys can see, the sides are, I'm holding this really weirdly, the sides are way different. Now, I think it's ready. It's doing that. Oh my god, guys, it took literally it was not half an hour, it was literally a whole hour it took. Here is the phone. Restore completed, apps and data will continue downloading in the background. So that's like photos and stuff like that. Okay, so basically these little these are widgets and they only have pictures, but they're still downloading like everything. So my phone looks a little weird right now, so it's still uploading stuff. See, like here as well, all of this stuff as well, so it's still downloading stuff. So I'll show you guys and the camera in a minute, but what I've decided is we're just gonna add the SIM in. Push really hard, I thought I was gonna break the phone. Okay, so basically this whole thing came out. Hopefully it's not broken the phone. And I think I just add it back in. Oh yeah, you just add it back in like that. Why is it not coming out? Oh wait, it just why do I keep doing this? I don't even know if I put it the right way out, but oh well. I guess we insert that in. Yeah, that's basically what it says. All my messages are coming through. Yeah, it says I have 3D, so that works. Look how cute my widgets are. I'm gonna be adding the lovely case, and then we're gonna review the camera. This is the case. I'll be linking this down, even though it's literally from Apple, in the description. So here it is. And this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max clear case MagSafe. I don't have any MagSafe thing now. Maybe for Christmas, when I get my Christmas money, I might buy something like the power bank charger. So here is the lovely clear case. I decided to get clear because I've got these really cute Brandy Melville stickers, like Glossier stickers, which I wanted to add in. Not stick on, but like add them inside the phone case. Look, it knows I'm putting it in my MagSafe case. That is really cool. By the way, if you want to have this wallpaper, add my Pinterest. I have it on there. It's not my wallpaper, but I've added like a whole wallpaper section and you most probably will find it in there. So, let's get to the camera bit. Ooh, this is really cool. It has like photographic styles. I love that. Let's just choose style. Let's do, I feel like you guys can see the screen recording, but I feel like we should do the standard one because like, I don't know what these ones are, but let's just do standard. Say hi to you guys. Oh, this is so, like, look at that camera. It's so bright. I love the quality. Ooh, that is nice. Do a zoom in thing. Oh god. Let me zoom into this. Like, wow, that is very far. And then this is 0.5 and then normal. So I'm gonna do front. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is way better quality. This is basically you guys. This is really nice. This will be great for my YouTube videos. Like iPhone 11 is just not doing it for me. Look at the iPhone 13 Pro Max. That quality is way brighter. Okay guys, so now we are gonna try. Okay, so we're gonna try this. We're gonna go into cinematic mode. So what we're gonna do is like focus on an object. So I'll show you guys basically what it does. So let's focus it on the app. Wait, let's find something else that is better. Let's do it on this phone case. So look how it like blurs out the background, but it keeps the phone case in focus. It blurs everything out. That is good. And it blurs me out as well. I don't think I'll really need to use this feature. I don't think. But yeah, that's basically it. And then these are all my apps. They're still loading. Basically, this video has been really, really fun to film. I am so happy. And I'll see you guys in my next video. If you really enjoyed, comment down below, like, and subscribe, and all of that. So, yeah. Also, check my socials out. They're in my description box as well. I hope you guys have a lovely day. So yeah, bye!